It's wabbit season. Oh boy, wabbit twax. All right, wabbit, I know you're there. If you're not out in 10 seconds, I'll blast you out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, wabbit. Now I got you.
Yep. What's up, Doc?
I'm hunting wabbits. It's wabbit season.
Oh. Rabbit season, huh? Having any luck?
Well, no, as a matter of fact, I haven't even seen a wabbit yet.
This is preposterous! Say, what's the matter with you anyway? Don't you even know a rabbit when you see one? It's true, Doc. I'm a rabbit, all right. Would you like to shoot me now or wait till you get home? Shoot him now! Shoot him now! You keep out of this. He doesn't have to shoot you now. He does so have to shoot me now. I demand that you shoot me now. Let's run through that again. Okay. Would you like to shoot me now or wait till you get home? Shoot him now. Shoot him now. You keep out of this. He doesn't have to shoot you now. Ha! That's it! Hold it right there! Pronoun trouble. It's not he doesn't have to shoot you now. It's he doesn't have to shoot me now. Well, I say he does have to shoot me now! So shoot me now! Yes? Oh, no you don't. Not again. Sorry. This time we'll try it from the other end. Look, you're a hunter, right?
White.
And this is rabbit season, right?
White.
And if he was a rabbit, what would you do? Yeah, you're so smart. If I was a rabbit, what would you do?
Well,
Not again.